Okay, well, time to fucking slam him then, huh? Carl. How do you want to play this?
Play it safe, play it safe.
Try to peel some of them off. Get their attention distracted. They're gonna be hiding, so check the corners.
You want me to push up the
Try
hill?
to stick together.
Where? Up the hill. One's on the back of the roof.
I can push the hill. You want me to get on the hill? Get high ground?
Yeah.
On the roof.
Roger, moving.
Watch your six, watch your six.
Back house on top of the roof. Don't get
Move it together, move it together. There's three of them on that roof. Careful.
God damn it.
Coming around.
How's up, July?
Yeah, move prisoners. One fell down and went over.
Yo, one's pushing to your right on the street.
They're downstairs. They're down at the bottom. They're running around. Get it.
One down.
One's down. That's the car.
Across the way.
Hey, one on the hill. One on the hill.
To the right.
This way. I'm running.
Go back, man. He's moving around to the right.
Get the one on the hill. Get the one on the hill. There's one on the hill.
He's pushing down.
They're going to the left. Jose, back up.
Got one over here. He's dead. One in the car is dead. We'll flank
Come this way.
Fuck! No!
I was gonna go the other way and you can go around the back behind him.
Come on!
Good, is everyone good? What's happening?
No!
We're good.
So you're gonna push this guy right now. We're flanking.
One down.
Another one down.
All dead, I think.
No. One dude left.
Where?
The white, where that white car is, that house, right before it, coming from our cars.
But T, don't grab him, you're gonna get shot.
White house.
Yeah, right where I am, in the front, there's a car over here. He's standing around here.
Yeah, shit.
He's coming to you, he's on the...
Light him up, baby.
I'm lining, I need help.
Yo, one was using their phone.
Carefully.